Step 4, connect to an API. Real-world applications do not live in isolation. They need APIs to talk to. In this step, we'll set up our app to talk to an API. Before getting started, note that I've cleared out the implementation of our add-to-do function. We'll add a new implementation for this later on, but first let's start with a useEffect hook. We'll use this useEffect hook to make an HTTP call as soon as this component starts up. To do this, we'll start by fetching the URL API/todos, and then we'll call then to convert the response into a JSON object, and then we'll send that JSON object to our setTodos function from our useState hook. With our useEffect set up, we'll start into our add-to-do function. For this, we'll fetch the API add-to-do, and we'll want this to be a post. So we'll add in the configuration object to let it know that we're using the post method with an empty body. Next, we'll add a then to turn the response into JSON. And then we'll take this new to-do object, and we're going to want to append it to our current state of to-dos. To do this, we'll use that setTodos function again from our useState hook. And like before, we'll spread to-dos and then append the new to-do at the end. And there you have it. Our app is all set up now to communicate with a backend API, but we don't have one yet. We'll look to implement this in our next step.